Choctawhatchee 420 Bay Raid. Point Washington is the start of the trip of the Choctawhatchee 420 Bay Raid. It's 4 o'clock. I made it under the 331 bridge. Made it to a little beach here in Choctaw Beach here, Freeport Beach. I got all my stuff. I'm doing pretty good. Tony had a little capsize. He's heading home. Checkpoint 1, that's about as far as he wanted to make it. That's all right though. He went over, he had a boat pull him to shore. He was lost everything. So, watch out with sailing canoes. You could lose it all. But he still got his most important stuff, his cell phone, his money and weed and all that. I just got done with my safety meeting. Too bad we didn't have a safety meeting before we left. You probably wouldn't have capsized. So what else we got here? We're at a pretty nice park here. Got all the amenities. So instead of making it checkpoint 3, I'm probably only going to make it checkpoint 2 and camp out and have to put in an extra spot tomorrow. All right, I'll check back with you when I'm back at the next beach.
A good start, early finish. What else can I say? I got wet. Next time they're pontoons for sure.
Pontoons for sure. Here's his
I swore by it when I had the kayak.
Hold him up.
Wasn't gonna go without him. My gear spread all over the place.
Yes, we're spread out on the park here. All right, that was 30 seconds.
Well, after my catastrophic failure, Jared has got himself re-rigged. I've got my boat dried out. It's going to be hours before I get dry. And he's going to head across to the point. You can see it right over there. Pushing off. Got his marker. Going to finish the quest. Once he gets done there, he's going to go straight across over to the second point down that way. I don't know if you can see all of that. Look, there he is. And off he goes. Don't know what in the world he's up to. But something simple like that is what would have dumped me again and again and again. Again. I was lucky enough to have a rescue. It wasn't Jared. We can only hope the best for him. A long way to go. 3 miles. What? We'll see how far he makes it. I'm going to shut you off for a minute.
All right, guys. Well, here we are. We're back at it. We're back out over the water. We left Tony behind. He went down, and that pretty much ruined his parade on that. All right, well, let me show you what I'm working with right now. I got the big crab claw up.
Well, it's been about 10 minutes. Gathered up all my stuff around the beach. If you look close, you can see Jared. He's several hundred yards off the shore. Picked up my gear around the park. Tree's clean. Boat's clean. We'll get a picture of sunset here. Ought to be beautiful.
Alright guys, well, we're making our way across the bay. We're leaving checkpoint 1, heading for checkpoint 2 after the Tony catastrophe. We've got a really late start. Not necessarily because of Tony, but yeah. And then I wasn't much more ready than him. I'm heading across right now with full sail up. I'm out in the middle of the bay with nobody, nothing around me, except for this fucking jackass right here. Look at this, look at this. Holy shit. Whole fucking bay. Yep, but they found me. Because, you know, that's how that is. I hope that these water noises are coming through. So instead of camping at checkpoint 3, I'll be camping at checkpoint 2 more than likely. Probably going to be about 6 o'clock when I get there, and I don't want to go till 8 for the other. My stopping at a restaurant tonight for dinner was, well, that shit's canceled. You know, plans are, you know, they never are what they are. Here in a second, I'm about to have to go over this guy's waves, because, you know, he only showed up because I pulled the camera out. All right, well, I'll check back. All right, guys. Well, we're here at checkpoint 2. We made it here by, I'm guessing it's like 6 o'clock. I really should have checked before I got on the phone here. Made it across, no problems. Talked to my old lady on the way. I believe Tony got picked up by his sister at the park there. Should have brought my selfie stick because I'm stuck at the end of my arm again. I really meant to have a stick this time. What else? Well, we got a really nice beach here. It's really the shit. I ain't gonna lie. We'll take a quick eyeball around. Yeah, that's right. I got my own personal sloop. So, yeah, this is the beach. I'm going to be staying here tonight. I'll be cooking me a little dinner here. I'm going to try to make sure I get some footage of each little thing as I go. I got some hanger-rounders here, but I don't give a shit. I'll be here till late. I'll be here till I wake up. They're seeing a lot of crab today. They're definitely, the crab are out. Trying to get y'all out of the wind. Let me step back into this hole again. Much quieter inside the bushes here. There. Oh, there's some creepy shit right here, dude. You know this is water moccasin infested. No doubt. Should I have any problems? Have any problems at all? I got too late of a start to hit all 3 checkpoints. I'll be screwing up my checkpoint thingy here in just a minute. We'll take a photo of it so that way we can find it later. Got some hottie paddling off all by herself. What else we got? Y'all want to see? See somebody paddling by themselves? There you go. There are unicorns. It's back. All right, guys.